Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to use the Gemini AI to do the photo editing. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So guys, the first step you can do, you can access this Gemini AI first, and don't worry because this Gemini can be also accessed with your PC or even the smartphone guys. And after that you will see this homepage of this Gemini AI, and usually they will offer you several things. And if you would like to do the photo editing, then don't worry, you don't have to upgrade it into the pro version because 2.5 flash version is still enough to do the photo editing guys. And since I use the PC to get the chance to get more spacious view here, then I will go to the click this tool and create image. Well, as you can see, there is the banana emoji or symbol. It means that this Gemini AI has also related or have the style of nano banana to help you to the photo editing guys. And for example, I would like to try upload a picture from the gallery or my device, and after that I want this Gemini AI to cartoonize the picture of this sushi, for example. Help to cartoonize this photo of sushi. I'm sorry. And you can simply click enter and let this Gemini AI or this nano banana to generate this picture or turn this picture into the cartoon version. And if you have any requests or even the suggestion about the another AI that can do the same as good as this Gemini AI, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, guys, because we would love to see your comments there and making the video in another version. I'm sorry. So after waiting for maybe 15 seconds until 1 minute, because it also depends on the complexity of your prompt or request, and voila, the picture is already cartoonized here. You can simply click it and also download it into the full size. And let's see the result here. As you can see, the picture is still very detailed and also beautiful at the same time. And this is the previous. There are 1 2 3 4 5, and here 1 2 3 4 5, still maintaining the detail of this picture. And there is the watermark of this Gemini AI. And let's try if I don't put the or activate this nano banana tool here. Just start it from the beginning. For example, I will choose my picture. Kindly wait. For example, this burger. Kindly help to cartoonize this hamburger picture, and at it is better to put the prompt into the very detail and not really in the long sentences, I guess. If I ever try to generate the picture at the face on top of the upper bun, for example, and enter. And kindly wait for maybe again a second, and also make sure that your connection and your network is good, guys. And as you can see, before this Gemini AI generate the picture, they will usually give you the, it's like the response here in the word, and voila, this is the result without activate this tool of Nano Banana. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try this Gemini AI to create on your own and your favorite image. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Have a good day.